In this lesson for beginner guitarists, I'm going to show you how to play an open A minor chord, and I'm also going to give you a little bit of theory too, so stick around. The A minor chord uses 3 fingers, the first finger, the second finger and the third finger. And the first finger goes on the first fret of the B string, the second string. The second finger goes on the fourth string at the second fret. And then this finger here, the third finger, tucks in behind that finger at the same fret, but on the G or the third string. And we get this really lovely minor chord sound. Beautiful sound. Now changing from this chord to other chords such as the C chord is pretty easy. For example, going to C, we're going to lift up this finger here and we're going to place it right there at the third fret of the fifth string or A string. And you can immediately hear the change. A minor, C. Another simple change is from A minor to E major. Really simple, because the whole thing you're going to lift up and then move it that way, one string. And you can see in the chord diagram, A minor, E major. Going from A minor to the A major chord is a piece of cake. All we're going to do, there's your A minor, we're going to lift up this first finger here and we're going to stick the fourth finger in behind the third finger like so there. And again you can immediately hear the change from minor to major. Minor, so that sad to happy sound. Okay, just a little bit of theory on how to make an A minor chord. Now there's an A minor scale there, you'll see the notes there. And to make a chord, we just need 3 notes. And the notes that we need are the first note, which is an A, the third note, which is a C, and the fifth note, which is an E. And if you look on the guitar here, let's find the triad. So we've got the A note, which is the second fret of the G string. We've got the C note, which is the first fret of the B string, and then the top E string. Well, there you go. And so that's our triad. But there are other notes that we're playing. We're also playing here on the fourth string, the D string at the second fret. This is also an E, like the top string. And the fifth string here, this open string here, is an A. Just like here on the second fret of the G. So those are octaves. Now technically we could play this string here, the low E string, as well. You'll notice that in the chord diagram there is an X over it. Usually we just play the top 5 strings, with the fifth string being the low A note, giving us kind of the bass note, the root note. But it's not wrong to play all 6 strings, but for me it sounds a bit murky, a bit muddy. If you're getting value out of this, please hit the like button and the subscribe button and press that notification bell for more content just like this. If you're not busy now, why not hit the link here for a lesson on E, or hit the link here for a lesson on A. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.